Catalan Arts and Catalan Films are the Catalan Institute for Cultural Companies brands for the international promotion of cultural and creative companies. Via our network of offices in Europe, we work on a variety of lines of action to connect, mentor, and support creative companies in their international journey. To this end, we work to build local, national, and international connections, promote the presence of Catalan companies and their creative works at markets, fairs, and key professional events, and encourage the co-production and the distribution of Catalan projects. We also support films and talent selected at international festivals and act as the industry's official Catalan Government Ministry of Culture representatives at international markets. Thus, we offer a range of useful materials and resources to professionals based in Catalonia who want to develop their projects internationally, as well as to professionals from other countries looking for artistic productions and willing to establish contact with their creators and promoters.